Are you looking to remove your profile picture on TikTok? In this video I'll show you how easy it is to do. All you need is your phone and an internet connection, so whether you're looking to change your profile picture or just want to remove it altogether, watch this video until the very end and follow these simple steps to get started. First, open up your TikTok application and then go over to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. So with TikTok, there is currently no way to simply remove your profile picture, but I will show you a workaround for that. Tap on Change Photo and then tap on Take Photo. So what you want to do next is lower your camera to a flat surface and then tap on this icon over here to turn off the flash and then take a photo just like this. And you will have a completely black image that you can set as your own new TikTok profile picture. If you want a completely plain white photo, you can simply Google search for plain white images and download any one of those images and upload it as your new profile picture. Another thing that you can do is go to Google and search for the default profile picture, Commons Wiki, and then go over to Images and tap on this exact image. Tap and hold on it and then download that image to your device. Once you downloaded that, head back to TikTok and select Edit Profile, and then you can tap on Change Photo and select from the gallery and then upload that image that we just downloaded. And as you can see now, the profile picture just looks like something generic that you would find anywhere on the web. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.